As-salamu-alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's lesson, I'm going to explain some prayer lesson to you from the beginning. So first of all, we have to say Allahu Akbar. Bring your hands, bring hands, palms open up to ears, and place thumbs behind ear lamps and say Allahu Akbar. Allah is the greatest. After that, next dua you have to read Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa tabaraka ismuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa la ilaha ghayruk. After saying that, then you have to say the next one A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Then we start Fatiha. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. After saying Fatiha, you have to say one surah. You can say any surah. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. After that, you have to go into Ruku, and in this shape, then you have to say Allahu Akbar. Going into Ruku, you have to say Allahu Akbar and read 3 times Subhan Rabbiyal Azim, Subhan Rabbiyal Azim, Subhan Rabbiyal Azim. And then we stand up, which is called Qiyam. First you have to say Sami Allahu liman hamida Rabbana lakal hamd. And after that you have to go straight Allahu Akbar into sajda. And you say 3 times Subhan Rabbiyal A'la, Subhan Rabbiyal A'la, Subhan Rabbiyal A'la. And then after that you sit down and you have to say Allahumma gfirli, Allahumma gfirli, Allahumma gfirli. And then after that you have to sit down, go into sajda again. And you have to say Subhana Rabbiyal A'la 3 times. That's the one rakat. When you go into second rakat after sajda, and you have to say At-tahiyyatu. At-tahiyyatu lillahi was-salawatu wat-tayyibatu As-salamu-alayka ayyuhan nabiyyu wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As-salamu-alayna wa ala ibadillahi as-salihin. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. So you have to read it that. And after that, if you're doing 2 rakats, then after that you have to read Durood Ibrahimi. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama sallaita ala Ibrahima wa ala ali Ibrahima innaka hamidum majid. And the second part, Allahumma barik ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama barakta ala Ibrahima wa ala ali Ibrahima innaka hamidum majid. After that you can say a different du'as which is from Quran or Hadith, and we have to say these du'as. For example, Rabbi ij'alni مقيم الصلاة ومن ذريتي ربنا وتقبل دعاء ربنا اغفر لي ولوالدي وللمؤمنين يوم يقوم الحساب. And then after that you can say another dua which is ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وَقِنَا عَذَابَ النَّارِ. And then after that you finish your prayer with salam. As-salamu-alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa rahmatullah on your right side, and As-salamu-alaykum wa rahmatullah on your left side. So this is for the prayer. Inshallah, I hope you learned something from this. Thank you. As-salamu-alaykum.